Boring! Yes, the topic which I make content about is one of the most boring topic on the internet. Huh? Yeah, I make DIY contents. Still boring. I must swipe up right now. Wait. I never said that my content is boring, but how do you make DIY contents interesting, man? You see, when you create something, there are two parts to it. The how you are creating it and the why you are creating it. Oh yeah, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Tell me something new, man. The why part, why I'm creating something, is where I give myself the creative freedom. I shoot a fun short skit around the creation, and that's what I call as the story part. Okay, cool, but what about the how part? That part is for the true engineering nerds out there. The 5 out of 50 people who genuinely loves the process. I let my inner nerd out and basically take you guys through the journey of my creation. Okay, but what's the point of this video, man? If you have stayed this far, then you deserve to know the next set of projects. These are all the things which I'll try making in 2025. And from now on, Nerdo aka Mr. Banana Board, he's gonna be explaining the how part.
Hey, hi guys.
Shoo, not now dude. The how part is for the later, you know. And I'm really sorry for not being able to post a lot of videos, but I'll at least try to post one video every month. See you later.
Hey guys, if you're interested, go check out the channel. Consider subscribing only if you like the content. I'll see you soon. Bye.
A creation created for creators.